In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your payment options in Big Cartel using Stripe. Whether you're new to Big Cartel or just need a little guidance, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you get paid smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control center where you manage your store, keep track of sales, and make any necessary changes to your business setup. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the top of the screen for the Account option. Go ahead and click on that. The Account section houses a range of settings and features that are crucial to managing your Big Cartel account, including your personal information and payment setup. After you've clicked on Account, you'll need to scroll down the page until you find the section titled Get Paid. This section is crucial because understanding how to get paid is the foundation of any successful online business. With your product ready to sell, it's important to make sure the checkout process for your customers is as smooth and seamless as possible. In the Get Paid section, you'll notice the option to set up your payment options. Clicking this link will lead you to a screen where you can choose how you'll accept payments from your customers. Here, the main option we'll focus on is Stripe. Stripe is a widely used payment processor known for its simplicity and effectiveness, providing you with a safe and reliable way to receive payments. Now, you'll want to click Connect Stripe. What this does is initiate the linking process between your Big Cartel store and a Stripe account. It securely connects the two, ensuring that any payments made through your store go straight to your bank account without a hitch. Once you've clicked to connect Stripe, you'll be prompted to log in using your email address. Simply enter your Stripe account details, and if you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll be given the option to create one. Stripe will guide you through their straightforward setup if needed. It's a user-friendly service, so just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you've logged in and completed any necessary steps, your Stripe account will be connected. After confirming this connection, that's it. Your payment setup through Stripe on Big Cartel is complete. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up Stripe on your Big Cartel store so you can start receiving payments effortlessly. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues, Big Cartel and Stripe offer robust support and guides to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your selling process. Happy selling!